not many people spot the best light. Doesn't get much newer than that. 12 miles on this Taycan Turbo S that's just come straight from Porsche. Let's get it prepped up. It's here for front end PPF and a few other bits. So let's jump into it, get it washed, get it decontaminated, because it hasn't been prepped at all by the dealership. It's dirty. I'll show you that now actually, and then we'll jump into it. Mess that right up. The original bar that I pulled this off, and you can see, or can you see, that is the real question. There's a little bit of contamination on there. There's a few bits. It's not the worst. It's a brand new car. Nowadays as well, and let me jump this off so I can talk. Nowadays as well, with like the state of the car delivery situation, the cars aren't hanging around for as long as they used to, so like a new car is normally quite new. But even this, still contamination. That's had chemical decontamination outside, so fallout remover, tar remover, and then these are little bits that are still stuck in the paint, which obviously when we're PPFing a car of this colour, any little bit you're going to see, so we want to remove that, so that we can see what's a bit of dust and what's a bit of like speck in the car. So yeah, remove it all now, and we don't have to deal with that with the don't have to deal with that with the PPF. So very thorough clay bar, then I'll run around the car and we will get started on the PPF tomorrow. That is it, a wrap on the Porsche Taycan Turbo S. Hope you enjoyed the video. Front end PPF, single stage on the rest of the car, coating, ready to go back to the dealership on the lorry tomorrow. And we've got another one swapping with it. You'll see that on the Instagram. If you don't follow us already, follow us at LDS Detailing UK, because we're much more up to date on there than we are on YouTube. This video will probably be 6 months late. We've got a lot to catch up on, but I will see you in the next one. So next morning, next car's now been delivered and the original Taycan is now back on the trailer. So here's the new one, here's the old one, back on the trailer, back to Porsche for the customer handover today, I believe, or tomorrow. Yeah.